Okay.
Hi all. So here we have the results of mascot designing competition. Good job done, girls. You all actually surprised all of us. I request the judges now to please announce the results.
All the teams have done very well to the best of their capacity. The third place is shared by Ruby and Sapphire. Heartiest congratulations.
The second prize goes to the house which had the fearless mascot, the Emerald House. Well done, girls.
Congratulations, Emerald.
And now we already know who the winner is. It's Yellow House Topaz. Well done. All the 4 entries from the point of view of artwork were excellent. They were very, very good. Well done, girls. All the 4 logos came out very creative and very good. But we have one strong winner, the Topaz House. All the best. Well done. Good job.
Thank you, dear judges, for taking out your time on a holiday for judging this event. Thank you so much.
Our
Thank you.
pleasure. Thank
It
you,
was a pleasure.
Savita ma'am.
So thank you so much. It was a great opportunity for me to judge the photography competition, and I could see, great work from you all students, and you have done a good job. And I could see like some good work, which you have made a story without even expressing it with the words, and really good job. And I would like to announce the third position. So third position goes to Emerald House.
Yeah. Okay. So children, it was very wonderful art, and your creative artistry was very clearly seen, and I feel it really hard. I felt it really hard to go through the photos and judge which one is best. And I really appreciate all the efforts that you have taken behind it. So I'm here to announce the second prize. The second prize goes to Sophia. So congratulations to the winners.
And it was really an honor to judge you girls. Your creativity, it was so nice, so lovely to watch those photos and the stories they spoke. So I'll be announcing the first place, and that is Topaz House, who has bagged the first prize. It was so beautiful, your theme and your pictures and the story that it spoke, it was wonderful. Congratulations to all winners.
Thank you so much, teachers.
Congratulations,
Congratulations
winners.
to all the winners. Thank you, Mrs. Shamim, Mrs. Alia, and Ms. Neha, for sparing your time for this judgment. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for calling.
It was so good to watch you all perform, girls. It was mind-blowing performance. Thank you so much, girls, for putting in so much of effort actually in singing, editing the videos, compiling, and all that. Now here we have the results for musical performance of House Day 2020. I request the judges to please announce the results.
Okay, so first of all, let me start. It was really a very tight competition, I should say, because each group, I can say very well, they have put the effort and the singing, your talent, everything. The compo was really great. How you put up everything, even the singing style. If you have coordinated very well, I should say. In this pandemic situation, you have done this much means every group deserve a real appreciation from our part, I should say. So let me start with the third place. So the third place goes to Emerald.
Congratulations, Emerald.
Well, now it's time for the second place. It was really nice to watch how each child has contributed, choosing a particular topic and then working around it, and very well coordinated among your songs, the choice of song that you have done, the composition, how it was very well executed. And hats off to all the team members who put in such a great effort to make this a success. And the second place goes to Sapphire.
Congratulations, Sapphire.
So finally, it's the first place to be announced. First of all, it's very difficult to sit in different places, sing and compile it, edit it. It's very difficult thing, but girls, you have done a great job. And I'm so happy to say that, this is the time when humanity should stay together, when we should be united, because there are a lot of difficulties going around us, this COVID situation, so many problems are there. And the house that won the first place, they've chosen their topic well. Unity, their theme was unity. And in spite of you can say in spite of all the differences, standing together. And the first place is, of course, Topaz House has bagged the first prize.
Congratulations.
Congratulations,
Topaz House.
girls.
Congratulations, winners. Thank you so much, judges, Mrs. Shamim, Mrs. Reni, and Mrs. Vivina, for taking out time from your busy schedule to be the judges for this event. Thank you so much. Thank you so much from
You're
all of us.
most welcome, and we are
Yes,
so
most
happy
welcome.
for choosing us.
Yes.
Definitely.
Okay. It was a joy to view all your masks, both, like in surgical as well as the cloth. We were actually totally amazed to see, such intrinsic work can be done on these small piece of surgical as well as the cloth masks. The way you people have depicted was awesome. We three were actually the judges, and along with the activity coordinator, we were just flattered by, the way in which a message can be passed on to the public. Now, it's a pleasure to announce the winners. The third place goes to Sapphire.
Second place, Topaz House.
And the first place goes to Ruby House. Congratulations, girls.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you, judges. Hi, girls. So here we have the final results of the music video parody competition that was held in connection with the House Day 2020. I request the judges for the event, Mrs. Roshni Alex, Mrs. Sajida Bhaskaran, and Mrs. Vidya Binu, to please announce the results.
Congratulations to all the participants for this event. In third place, we have the Topaz House. Congratulations, Topaz House.
Congratulations, Topaz House.
Second place goes to Ruby House. Congrats to Ruby House.
Congratulations, Ruby House.
And in the first place, we have the Sapphire House. Congratulations, girls.
Congratulations to all the winners. It was really a very tough task for the judges to judge the event and to decide the final winners. Good job done, girls. So proud of you. And thank you, Mrs. Vidya, Mrs. Roshni, and Mrs. Sajida, ma'am, for taking your time out in a holiday and being the judges for this segment. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sajida.
Dear girls, here we have the results of the makeup competition that was held in connection with House Day 2020. Now I request the judges for the event, Mrs. Lisa Varghese, Mrs. Mahima Chopra, and Dr. Richa Vij, to please announce the results.
Hi girls, excellent portrayal of the theme, avant-garde. In fact, it was very uniquely portrayed. Each house had a very, very different interpretation of the theme and was portrayed beautifully. It was so well that in fact, we judges had a hard time to decide who actually won. So the team that has the first prize has won with just a whisker of marks. The first prize or the first position goes to Ruby House.
Congratulations, Ruby House.
The second position goes to Emerald House.
Congratulations, Emerald.
The third position goes to Topaz House.
Congratulations, Topaz. Good job done, girls. I know the judges had a very difficult time judging this event. Thank you so much, dear Lisa ma'am, Mahima ma'am, and Richa ma'am, for taking your time out of the work schedule for judging this event. Thank you so much. Okay, dear girls, here are the results of the slam poetry competition of House Day.
The third prize is backed by Emerald House for House Day Slam Poetry Competition. And the topic was You Matter. Congratulations, girls.
Congratulations, Sapphire House. You got the second position and your topic was Mental Well-Being, a Letter to the Society. I really loved your clear diction and varied use of expression. Well done.
Congratulations, Ruby House. You have clinched the first position for the House Day Slam Poetry competition. The topic for the slam poetry was Diary Entries of the Girl I Was. It was extremely original and creative. Once again, congratulations, girls.
Thank you, judges, Mrs. Vidya Biju, Mrs. Shibi Walson, and Mrs. Monica Istrani. Thank you for your valuable time that you have spared for making this House Day a grand successful event. Thank you.
Thank you, Savita.
And I would like to thank our house mistresses who have put in a lot of hard work, and the house captains who have worked day in and day out with all the teams for different events that have taken place. Also, I would like to thank the judges who have spared their valuable time and supported us in judging these competitions. And last but not the least, our activity coordinator, Savita, who has always been so, as I would say, very proactive and has been able to manage and give us this House Day online first time. Thank you, Savita. Thank you all.
So here we have the final results of House Day 2020. We have our beloved supervisor with all of us to share the happy news, which house have won the first place. Anyways, it was such a wonderful experience this year, especially online competition. It actually made us learn many new things. I request now our beloved supervisor, Mrs. Rachna Saran, to please announce the overall winners of House Day 2020.
Thanks, Savita. Indeed, it has been a very different, special year, and you have made it possible for us to have these online events. And girls, as I always say, you have also risen to the occasion, and you have been able to give us that support where we could do all of these online events. Now for the results, I know all of you are very anxious and you would like to know which house has stood first. I would have loved to announce it in the auditorium, but unfortunately, as we cannot ask you for guesses, but I'll go with the third position first. It is the Emerald House with 12 points. And
congratulations, Emerald House.
Yes, and I hope they'll do it better next time. And it has always done very well, but unfortunately this time they have come in the third position. The second position is shared by two houses, that is Ruby and Topaz, with 20 points.
Congratulations.
And the first place goes to Sapphire House with 21 points. Very well done.
You have always kept your flag high, as always.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Savita. Thank you, house mistresses. And
I know it was really very tough for you. Thank you so much for accepting our request and gracing this occasion on House Day 2020.
And I would also like to thank our house captains who made it possible. They worked hard with their houses and they have been able to give this to us.